Skills is about preparing youth for the highly skilled economy of tomorrow through hands-on challenges and skill building. In elementary, you can participate in skills in 9 different categories ranging from grades 4 to 8. In the TV Video Production Challenge, students work in teams of 2 to plan, film, and edit a 2-minute video. Lego mechanics consists of teams building a device using a motor, power supply, and gears. Lego Robotics involves designing, modifying, and programming a robot to solve a series of challenges. VEX is similar to Lego Robotics, but using slightly more sophisticated technology and programming, which uses remote-controlled driving devices. For character animation, students work in teams of 4 to plan and create a 2D animation based on specific criteria. The Green Energy Challenge requires students to build a working device, such as a wind turbine, to address an environmental issue. For the Workplace Safety Challenge, students work in teams of 2 to monitor and evaluate competitor safety at the skills competition. The Technology Challenge is about developing a concept, designing, and building a machine with the provided materials. In construction, teams work to construct a scale model of the structure based on the design and materials provided.
I'm a firm believer in experiential education, and I think that kids doing hands-on stuff, they learn a lot more without realizing they're learning. One of the really neat things that I find with any sort of hands-on learning or experiential learning is that if kids haven't experienced it before, they are not afraid to fail. So they will try stuff that are outside their comfort zone. There's a ton of 21st century learning skills like collaboration and cooperation and doing, being able to work together, because you have to support each other or it doesn't work. I think the best thing for me is the increase in engagement in students, especially at this age. And I had no experience before, so it was a lot of questions of the person who's the chair of that particular competition. I sent a lot of emails to him, and then also lots of other teachers who do it already. I asked question and question and question, and then built my skills a little at a time.
The Limestone Skills Competition takes place each year in March. Schools can apply to send teams to this competition in any of the 9 categories. Most schools help students prepare by running practices or by starting a club prior to the Limestone Skills Competition. Following this competition, some teams may also have the opportunity to participate in the Provincial Skills Competition in Toronto, where they will see where skills can lead in secondary and beyond. At the secondary level, the competition expands to 19 categories, including landscape architecture, culinary arts, fashion design, masonry, and more. Limestone Skills is a great way to give all students a chance to develop essential life and job skills through an experience that they'll never forget. For more information or to get involved, talk to your administrator or check out the website.